All right, so next up is going to be logical leveling. Now, in NLP, which is neuro-linguistic programming, logical levels is a framework that describes different levels of experience and change. So it provides a structured way of understanding human behavior, communication, and personal development. The model suggests that making changes at different levels can lead to desired outcomes. And the pyramid goes as such. From the ground level up, we have environment. Again, this level represents the external context in which an individual operates. It includes the physical environment, people, the specific situations. Environment has an influence on behavior and can be modified to support desired changes. Next up is behavior. This level focuses on observable actions and patterns of behavior. So it pertains to what an individual does or does not do. By modifying the behavior, individuals can achieve specific outcomes and improve their interactions with others. The next level up is capabilities and skills. This level involves the abilities, skills, and competencies an individual possesses. It includes knowledge, techniques, expertise required to perform tasks effectively. And developing and enhancing capabilities and skills enables individuals to achieve higher levels of performance. The next level up in the pyramid is beliefs and values. Beliefs are the subjective understanding or assumptions about oneself, others, and the world. Values represent what is important or meaningful to an individual. This level influences behavior and decisions by examining and modifying those limiting beliefs and aligning the values with desired outcomes. Individuals can make significant changes in doing so. The next tier up is identity. This level relates to the sense of self and self-image, your personal identity. It encompasses how individuals perceive themselves and the roles they identify with. So modifying an identity involves reshaping self-concept and adopting empowering identities that support desired changes. And next up in the last of the list at the top is purpose and spirituality. In this purpose, this level represents an individual's higher purpose, meaning and connection to something greater than oneself. It relates to personal mission, life purpose, deeper values. Clarifying and aligning with one's purpose in spirituality can provide motivation, direction, and fulfillment. And as a coach, we find that most of the time when people are dissatisfied with their lives, relationships, work, whichever, it's often because they are not living a life in accordance with their values in life. Whether it's chasing money and not making the difference they want to make, not being connected to people in the way they want to be connected. So that for that sense of purpose isn't there. And they're effectively just walking through the motions to make money, for example. So these are some of the important factors that we're going to take a look at. And the logical levels suggest that changes made at higher levels tend to have a more profound and lasting impact on behavior and experiences. So the more that we can find our purpose in spirituality or identity and modify the beliefs and values that we apply every single day to every interaction, the more we're going to see changes in our lives. So we start by finding that spirituality, finding that purpose. It's going to allow for us to make a comprehensive approach to personal growth and transformation. And as an NLP practitioner, we use logical levels to facilitate change and enhance communication by identifying the appropriate level to target. We can help individuals overcome obstacles and align their internal processes and achieve their desired outcomes effectively. This model as a framework for understanding the interconnectedness and different levels and guides for intervention and strategy for personal development. So essentially, in summary, the logical levels of NLP represent different dimensions of the human experience and change. So by considering and working with these levels, individuals can gain insights into their own behaviors, into their own beliefs, to their values, to their identity and purpose, enabling them to make meaningful transformations and achieve your desired outcomes. So take a look at the logical levels map and let's continue.